So the first step, attaching this storage bin to the frame. These are recyclable, by the way, remove them. So on the bin, you have these two openings that snap into the frame here. Let me reposition myself. Now this snaps into the frame, and then this opening should line up. So this opening lines up with this guy. Snap, snap. Then we have one bolt and a nut. This goes through here. Flip it over, and then we can tighten this down. Now the nut size is 3/8. You can just use an adjustable wrench, or in my case, I do have a socket along with our drill here. And then we have the axle, and you have two wheels. Okay, the red inserts point inwards. So let's see, we have the axle, should fit through here like so, and then fit it through the frame all the way through. There we go, like that. This goes here, and then on the end you have a little cap that fits on, and you just need to lightly tap this in with a hammer. Everything rolls nicely. Okay, check the other one. Very good. And then you have these two ends. You have these two markings that line up with the inside of the wheel. So here we go. Should snap in place. There we go. So it's completely flush. So now we're placing the wheel into the frame. You have this little cover like this. Now the other thing to note, you see how it's cut out on the ends? So this matches up. You can't see it on camera, but inside this frame, you'll see when you look that it only fits one way. So just line everything up. Okay, there we go. Okay, handlebars. This guy goes like this. Little cup holder looks like, right? Okie doke. This little white piece goes over like that. And then you have the coupling. The instructions note when you install this, you're essentially placing it within this groove. So in other words, you're not placing it this high up. So something like this, essentially. All right, and then this fits right over the assembly, like that. Now, according to the instructions, make sure that this is completely down, okay? Make sure that the handlebars are all the way over the fork, and then we tighten down the fastener here. Okay, it's not going anywhere, and then this snaps down. And then we have a strap. There's a little clip on the end that clips onto right here. Now if you look at the frame, you have a number 1 imprinted right into it. Now this is for if your child is 18 months or under. You're placing the seat at this position. So it's adjustable. So 18 months and under, then you move back once your child grows, and then move a little bit further back. So in my case, I'll use number 1. So these are the fasteners that we're using. Okay, safety arms. Make sure the cup holder's like this. Like so. So all of this connects. Really cool. So this turns the wheels. And then, so if you're doing the pushing, you pull this out. Okay, see how this rotates now? So that's if you're pushing. And that locks it in place. Pretty cool to use. And I can zip around town. Very good. A little compartment, whoa, in the back here. Canopy, of course, adjustable. And then as your child grows, you can take the footrest off. Just push in the hub so they can turn the pedals. That's it. Pretty easy stuff.